Hey Emerald Gummy Bear.
What is it, Emerald Evil Gummy Bear?
Can I see the 4th of July fireworks with Blood Evil Gummy Bear?
No, you may not.
Why not?
Because you're still grounded. Now go to your room now.
Curse you. I'm going to see the 4th of July fireworks with Blood Evil Gummy Bear no matter what.
Later then.
Hello, Emerald Evil Gummy Bear.
Hello, Blood Evil Gummy Bear.
So, do you want to go and see the 4th of July fireworks? Because today is the 4th of July.
Yes, Blood Evil Gummy Bear. I'm so excited for the 4th of July fireworks.
Okay, let's go.
20 minutes later.
Alright, you ready to see fireworks? Because the fireworks are coming.
Yes, Blood Evil Gummy Bear. Oh, the fireworks are coming now.
Later, after the fireworks are done.
Wow, the fireworks are awesome.
I know, right?
Anyways, now let's go home.
Best day ever.
At Blood Evil Gummy Bear's house.
Oh my god. Blood Evil Gummy Bear. I cannot believe you went to see the 4th of July fireworks while you're still grounded. But you did not listen to me, you disobey me. That's it. You are grounded for 197 days. Now go straight to your room right now, or you will be grounded for 203 days instead, and I mean it.
Now, at Emerald Evil Gummy Bear's house.
Oh my god! Emerald Evil Gummy Bear. I cannot believe you went to see the 4th of July fireworks with Blood Evil Gummy Bear while grounded. But you had disobeyed me. That is it, young man. You are so grounded for 327 days. Now go upstairs to your room right now, or you will be grounded for 354 days instead.
Before I end this video, I just wanted to say happy 4th of July from Daryl1234, the Plotagon maker. I hope you all enjoy the Emerald Evil Gummy Bear sees the 4th of July fireworks with Blood Evil Gummy Bear while grounded video I made. Thanks for watching, and also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification button for more videos. Anyways, this is Daryl1234, the Plotagon maker, signing off. And happy 4th of July, everyone.